Good day, everyone. Hi, I'm Kylle Cruz from 2ITV, and I'll be discussing about two different figures about the operating system structures. First, let's talk about the API system call OS relationship. The system call provides an interface in the operating system services. Application developers often do not have direct access to the system calls. So the user application will then call the open method here so that it can access them through the application programming interface or the API. First, let's talk about the API system call and its parts. It has two different modes, the user mode and the kernel mode. In the user mode, the user application calls the open method, which is then processed in the system call interface. While in the kernel mode, the system call interface invokes the system call in OS kernel. It maintains a table indexed according to the numbers associated with each system call. From this index table, the implementation of the called method is obtained, which is returned to the user application in the user mode. So next here is the example of the system call in the standard C library. C program invoking printf library call which calls the right system call. So here we have the system application written in C. It invokes the method printf and it is returned to the standard C library. The printf is then invoked to the kernel mode, which is getting the right operation back to the user mode. That's it. So next is the microkernel system structure. It is composed of three parts: the application program, the file system, and the device driver. The application program gives a message to the kernel mode. Here, the kernel mode is like the middleman of the user and the hardware. It is the one who contains and integrates the request from the user mode into the hardware. So the kernel mode, it consists of the inter-process communication, memory management, and CPU scheduling. The application program messages in order for you to go to the file system. For example, when you're opening a file from the file manager, the application program sends requests to the kernel mode, which communicates the hardware device, and afterwards it will be sent back to the file system. For you to retrieve it, you need a device driver for the external device. For your USB flash drives, and that structure repeats again. And while the CPU scheduling and the memory management, where it simply process and store the request in the user mode. So thank you for watching. That's all for the microkernel system and the API system call structure. Thank you.